What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is going to blow your mind. We're talking about making money with artificial intelligence. But hold on, not some crazy complicated stuff. We're going full-on lazy here. Yeah, that kind of lazy. Now, before you think this is some clickbaity nonsense, let me tell you about Michelle. Michelle was a mom struggling to make ends meet. Then, she discovered the power of AI for affiliate marketing. Now, she writes blog posts and social media content for businesses, all with the help of AI tools. And she's pulling in a cool $760,000 a year, all while enjoying her life. Pretty amazing, right? And Michelle's not alone. There are tons of ways AI can help you bring in some extra cash, even if you have zero experience. So, grab a snack, get comfy, because we're about to dive into 5 shockingly easy ways to make money with AI. The last one is my favorite. Number 5. Use AI for online research and in data analysis. Researching your next big business move. Tools like Brandwatch use AI to analyze vast amounts of online data. They can uncover customer trends, identify your competitors' strategies, and give you valuable insights to make informed decisions. Number 4. AI-powered social media management. Juggling multiple social media accounts? Let AI help. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can schedule your posts in advance, analyze performance, and even identify trending topics. Spend less time managing and more time creating engaging content. Number 3. AI chatbots for customer service. Ever get tired of answering the same customer questions over and over again? Build an AI chatbot. Services like Manicat or Chatfuel allow you to design chatbots that answer FAQs, handle basic customer support, and even schedule appointments. Free up your time and let the robots do the work. Number 2. AI art and design. Who needs fancy design software when you have AI? Tools like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney can create stunning artwork based on your descriptions. Imagine creating unique thumbnails for your YouTube videos or eye-catching graphics for your social media posts, all with just a few words. Number 1. AI content creation. Remember all that content you gotta create for your social media, blog, or website. AI can write it for you. Tools like Jasper or Writer can generate blog posts, articles, even product descriptions in minutes. All you gotta do is give them a few keywords and boom, instant content. So there you have it, folks. 5 shockingly easy ways to leverage AI and start making money. Remember to check the video description for links to the tools and resources I mentioned, including some affiliate links that help support the channel. Let me know in the comments below what AI tools are you most curious about trying. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips to take your hustle game to the next level. Until next time, stay awesome.